Imagine revolutionizing your kitchen with cookware that's not only safe for your family, but also set to take Indian innovation global. That's the exciting story of Cumin Co, freshly honored in Forbes-DGlobalist's prestigious 200 brands with global potential for 2025. In a world where everyday items like pots and pans can hide hidden health risks, Cumin Co stands out as India's pioneering brand of patented, completely toxin-free enamel-cast iron kitchenware. This recent nod from Forbes-DGlobalist places them in an elite lineup of forward-thinking companies that are redefining their industries and exporting India's top-notch quality to international markets. For those new to this, think of it as a future stars list spotlighting brands that blend cutting-edge ideas with real-world appeal, helping beginners grasp how such recognitions signal big things ahead. This accolade is a game-changer for Cumin Co, underscoring their mission to craft cookware that's deeply connected to Indian roots, yet designed for worldwide homes. It celebrates their focus on safety, no harmful chemicals leaching into your food, combined with tough build quality and smart, user-friendly designs that make cooking a joy. Co-founders Niharika Joshi and Udit Lekhi shared their excitement. Receiving this honor from Forbes and DGlobalist feels incredibly validating. At Cumin Co, our goal has always been to make healthy cooking accessible to everyone by offering stunning, durable, and non-toxic options that stand the test of time. This milestone fuels our drive to share our unique, patented enamel-cast iron breakthroughs with people everywhere, tailoring them intuitively to fit the diverse needs of households around the globe, from quick family meals to elaborate feasts. Since launching earlier in 2025, Cumin Co has skyrocketed thanks to their innovative patented enamel-cast process. To break it down simply, enamel-cast iron is like a super strong base coated with a protective layer that prevents rust and stains, all while meeting strict international safety benchmarks like FDA, LFGB, and EC standards. Their designs draw straight from the heart of Indian kitchens, handling intense heat for spice-infused curries, daily heavy stirring, and vibrant flavors without fading or flaking. Each piece masterfully fuses scientific precision with artisanal flair, promising pieces that look great and perform reliably for years. Picture a pan that survives generations of your favorite recipes without a hitch. But here's where it gets controversial. While many brands tout safe materials, Cumin Co's 100% toxin-free claim challenges the status quo in an industry often criticized for hidden toxins in traditional cast iron. Is this the future of cookware, or just hype? This DGEMS spotlight solidifies their expansion plans, including venturing into new countries, rolling out enhanced material tech, and raising the bar for eco-friendly, high-performance kitchen essentials that tackle everything from searing to simmering. No matter how big they get, their core promise stays true, creating made in India, products crafted for global kitchens. And this is the part most people miss. In a market flooded with imports, how can homegrown brands like Cumin Co truly compete on the world stage without compromising on affordability or authenticity? A bit about Cumin Co. Cumin Co is all about putting health at the forefront of Indian cooking traditions, drawing inspiration from the diverse, flavorful world of Indian cuisine. Think everything from steaming idlis to slow-cooked biryanis. They merge wellness, resilience, and sleek aesthetics into cookware that's free of toxins, built to endure and perfectly suited for modern lifestyles. With 3 patents protecting their enamel-cast innovations and their exclusive Enviromax 4-layer enamel finish, Cumin Co leads the charge in delivering India's inaugural fully non-toxic enamel-cast iron line. These items are engineered to resist rust and stains, endure extreme temperatures, and avoid releasing any metals or chemicals into your meals, ideal for health-conscious families worried about long-term exposure. For example, unlike older cast iron that might need constant seasoning and can still chip, Cumin Co's versions are low-maintenance and ready for everyday use, ensuring they become heirlooms passed down through generations. By weaving clever design elements with ironclad safety measures, Cumin Co is establishing fresh ideals for nutritious, visually appealing, and forward-thinking cooking solutions right here in India and soon, across the globe. Website: www.cuminco.com. Advertorial disclaimer: the above press release has been provided by VMPL. Yenai will not be responsible in any way for the content of the same. Disclaimer: no business standard journalist was involved in creation of this content. What do you think? Can toxin-free, India-made cookware really disrupt the global market? Or are there hurdles like pricing and cultural adaptation that skeptics point out? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear if you're Team Cumin Co. or have a different take.